You ever felt the fire, got the dream, took the step, and slammed on the brakes with, maybe I'm not ready. This is too good for me. Slower, safer. Yeah, I've been there. High on purpose, then tripped by the stories that sound wise but actually shrink your life. Today, we're flipping the script. Ambition's blind spot, the three harmless lies capping your success. Because your biggest limits were the mask of logic. Let's burn them down. Welcome to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential, the podcast where your transformation begins. I'm Shawn Michael, and each day I'll bring you quick, impactful insights and action steps to fuel your personal and professional growth. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a leader, or someone ready to break limits and ignite greatness, this is your daily power boost to crush obstacles, stay focused, and awaken the extraordinary potential within you. Because remember, greatness begins within. Let's go. Hey there, boosters. Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Shawn Michael, here to unpack the real stuff, those mindset shifts and steps that help us to live true. Yesterday, we went raw with empathy is overrated, cutting the trap of over-pleasing. But here's what hit me after. What if the real ceiling isn't others, but the stories you believe? The quiet ones that sound responsible, even smart, but keep you small, safe, and stuck. Like these three. Lie number 1. I'm not ready yet. Feels noble, sounds disciplined. Wrong. Readiness is a myth. I used to wait for the perfect skills, the flawless plan, the right sign. And in that wait, opportunities ghosted. Momentum died. A voice whispered, just prep a little more. The truth? I was hiding. Here's our rewrite. Action is readiness. You don't prep for the path. You build it under your feet. Lie number 2. I don't deserve this. Ever hit a win, praise rolling in, doors flying open, then shrink back like it's a mistake? This isn't me. They're going to figure me out. That's not humility. That's shame in a costume. You might even call it imposter syndrome, but it's all bull. I remember my first big break. People leaned in and I leaned out. But here's the truth. It wasn't luck. It was earned. Here's our rewrite. This one is mine to own. Stop returning your success like it's a library book. Lie number 3. Slow's safer. This one's sneaky. It feels strategic, but sometimes slow is just fear with a spreadsheet. I used to think baby steps kept me smart. Truth? I was pacing just slow enough to avoid the terror of leaping. Here's our rewrite. Fast doesn't mean reckless. It means free. You can adjust midair, but you'll never fly from the ground. How do you break these now? Number 1, spot the lie. What reasonable story is capping me? 2, call it out. That's not wisdom. That's a weakness. 3, rewrite it. New script, new action, new life. You're not lazy, not broken. You're just running outdated code. But here's the truth. You're the programmer. Those stories, I'm not ready, I don't deserve this, slow's safer, I've said them all. But when I flipped those, things moved. Now I lead from action, worth, and forward motion. You've got that in you too. Spot the lie, name it, rewrite it, then watch what moves. That's today's Daily Power Boost. Pick one story, ready, worthy, or pace, and flip it this week. Show notes have more to help you challenge the story. Want more? Inside the R.E.A.L Mastery Hub, we unpack these blind spots regularly. Coaching, real talk, and rewrites that move lives. Join us at realmasteryhub.com and let's make this yours. Love this? share it with someone stuck in a smart story, and stick around for more on Living True. Tomorrow, we're tearing apart the surrender strategy, why letting go, not grinding harder, unlocks your next level. Till then, name it, flip it, run it, and stay true. Catch you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential. Remember, transformation starts with action. So take today's insight, make it your own, and awaken your inner potential. Because remember, greatness begins within. Catch you tomorrow for your next Power Boost.